Are your cabinets and furniture boring? Give them a facelift with Cameleon Hardware. Tired of the new look? Reinvent it again and again. There are no limits with this fun, high-quality DIY accessory that truly puts the you in unique. And it's so easy. Simply dab on the provided adhesive compound and secure anything you can imagine to the patented design faceplate. Once it dries, just slide the base of the hardware onto the faceplate. Next, use the provided screw to secure your knob or handle in place. Finally, out with the old, in with the new. Decorating has never been easier. And the best part, if you're ready for a change, all you have to do is create a new look on a new patented design plate. This exclusive hardware is made in America from high-quality recycled materials. Cameleon Hardware even uses biodegradable packaging, so while your hardware will last a lifetime, the packaging won't. Cameleon Hardware is also a great visual aid for children or people with challenges. It helps children of all ages stay organized while expressing their creativity and personalizing their space. And it's easy and inexpensive to change as they grow and their interests change. Why limit your creativity and style? Your knobs and handles can be more than just functional. They can become art, a reflection of you and your unique sense of style. And they can even change with the seasons for effortless holiday decorating. Cameleon Hardware gives you the creative freedom to splash some you into your cabinets, cupboards, and drawers. Click on the Store tab to order Cameleon Hardware today for this fun way to add one-of-a-kind style to your home. Cameleon Hardware. One handle, many possibilities.